Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by eliminating danger. Sit or lie down where you won't fall. Support your head with pillows and keep a phone nearby in case you need help. Check whether new medications or alcohol may be worsening symptoms and sip 25 to 0. 5 L of water to reduce dehydration. Once settled, take slow breaths and focus on a single stationary object. This reduces visual input that makes vertigo feel worse, and it sets you up to try the repositioning steps safely. You now perform the Epley sequence to move loose crystals in the inner ear. Turn your head 45 degrees toward the affected side, then lie back quickly with your shoulders on a pillow so your head hangs slightly off the edge. Hold 30 to 60 seconds. Next, rotate your head 90 degrees to the opposite side and hold again. Roll onto your shoulder, then sit up slowly. Move deliberately and pause between steps. This helps crystals travel and reduces recurrence risk when done correctly. You finish by sitting quietly for 10 to 20 minutes, avoiding bending or heavy lifting for the next 24 hours to let crystals settle. If spinning returns, wait 30 minutes and repeat the Epley up to one more time. Make sure each position is held until dizziness stops. If you get new neurological signs, weakness, double vision, slurred speech, or if vertigo persists after repeated attempts, seek medical evaluation promptly, because those signs suggest something more serious.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.